my car's last will and testament. I think she's seen her final days. I can't go any faster than this. If I stop, it's going to seize and not turn back on. I'm right up the block from my house. My baby's done. She's going slower and slower. She's about to die. She's done. Ladies and gentlemen, you have witnessed the death of my car. I bid her farewell. We have had a good run, but it appears she's come to her final resting place in front of Newark Knight Frank. If the space is available, I'm gonna go push my car home.